Upgrading your door is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's appearance, security, and energy efficiency. Whether you're replacing an outdated entry door or installing a new one as part of a renovation, understanding the professional installation process can help you feel more confident and prepared. Knowing what to expect also ensures you get the best results from your investment. The process typically begins with an initial consultation and assessment. A professional installer will evaluate your current door, measure the opening, and discuss your needs and preferences. This step is important because every home is different, and accurate measurements ensure the new door will fit properly. During this stage, you may also choose the style, material, and features of your new door, such as glass panels, hardware, and finishes. Once the details are finalized, the next step is preparing the installation area. On the day of installation, the team will protect surrounding floors and furniture to prevent damage. They will also remove any obstacles near the doorway to create a safe and efficient workspace. Proper preparation helps the process run smoothly and minimizes disruption to your home. The installation begins with the removal of the existing door. This includes taking out the old door slab, frame, and any hardware. Professionals handle this step carefully to avoid damaging the surrounding structure. If there is any hidden damage, such as rot or moisture issues, it will be identified at this stage so it can be addressed before the new door is installed. After the old door is removed, the installer will inspect and prepare the opening. This step is crucial for ensuring a secure and long-lasting fit. The frame is checked for level and stability, and any necessary adjustments are made. A properly prepared opening ensures that the new door will function correctly and provide optimal insulation. Next comes the installation of the new door frame and door unit. The new frame is carefully positioned and secured in place. Installers use precise techniques to ensure the door is level, square, and aligned correctly. This attention to detail is essential for smooth operation and a tight seal. Once the frame is in place, the door itself is installed and tested for proper movement. Sealing and insulation are key parts of the process. Professionals apply weather stripping and insulation materials around the frame to prevent air leaks and improve energy efficiency. This step helps keep your home comfortable by maintaining consistent indoor temperatures and reducing drafts. The next stage involves installing hardware and finishing touches. This includes attaching handles, locks, hinges, and any decorative elements. The installer will ensure that all components are securely fitted and functioning properly. Properly installed hardware not only enhances the appearance of your door but also improves security and usability. Once everything is in place, the team will perform a final inspection and testing. They will open and close the door multiple times to ensure it operates smoothly. They will also check the seals, alignment, and locking mechanisms. Any necessary adjustments are made at this stage to ensure everything meets quality standards. Cleanup is another important part of the process. Professional installers will remove debris and dispose of the old door, leaving your space clean and ready to use. This ensures you can immediately enjoy your new door without dealing with leftover materials or mess. Throughout the installation, communication is key. A professional team will keep you informed, answer your questions, and make sure you're satisfied with the results. The entire process is designed to be efficient and minimally disruptive, often completed within a few hours depending on the complexity of the project. In the end, a professional door installation is about more than just replacing an entryway. It's about improving your home's comfort, security, and overall value. By understanding each step of the process, you can feel confident that your new door will be installed correctly and perform reliably for years to come.